Okay. The question is a square lamina ABCD of 40 mm slide rests on corner C such that the diagonal appears to be at 45 degree to the VP. The two sides BC and CD containing the corner C makes equal inclinations with HP. The surface of the lamina makes 30 degree with HP. Draw its front view and the top view. So first we have to take the XY line in the normal and mark X and Y. Then we have to take a 45 degree angle below the XY line. Take a point anywhere on the XY line. Then press the tab key and mention 45 degree. You have to take minus 45. So on this line, we have to take a side of a square of 40 mm. So place it like that. Again, take 40 length. Again, same 40 length. If you have a mistake, then cut it. So here we got the 40 mm square. Then simply trim the unwanted lines. Then make the projections from the corners of the square to the XY line. Then the side on which the square rests, make it, mark it with the visible line, means dark line, and mention the points A, A, B, C, and D. Then also mention the markings on the XY line. C dash, D dash, and B dash, A dash. Then we have to take a inclination with respect to HP, that is 30 degree. So we have to take a normal line, not the visible line. Make sure you have to take normal line. Then take the angle 30 degree and drag up to your convenience. Then you have to take, then you have to move the line you want to place on the inclination, like this. Then you have to rotate it. You have to take the points and rotate. You have to then remove this. Then again project the lines from the points to downwards. Then take the projections from the previous ones. You have to take accordingly with the previous diagram. Then mention the points D dash, B dash, then here A dash, then join the square. Okay. If you have done a mistake, then simply with the help of cursor you have to cut it. So it takes a time. Don't rush, do slowly. Okay. You have to make it dark. So you have to take visible line and make the lines dark. Okay. Then here also you have to do the markings C, D, A, and B. Then you have to project the projections and you have to remove the unwanted lines. Just trim it. Just trim the lines. Okay. Now again, this is also unwanted line, so remove it. Okay. Now just take 45-degree below VP. Incline to VP means it will come below the XY line. So tab and take the 45-degree. So we have to take minus 45, not plus 45. Okay. Okay. Then on this line, we have to place this square, the second one. So just we have to move it. Okay. Like this. Okay. Then you have to rotate. I have to take the lines which we have to rotate. Okay. Then project the markings above, above side with the visible line. Not visible, normal, normal. Okay. If you are getting like that, don't rush. So just zoom. Okay. Okay, I'll take the projections and extend the line. Same from the downward. Again, you have to zoom. Okay, touch it. Take the projections from A to A, then D, DB, DB. Okay, then C. C is already here. So just now connect with the visible line. Point C. Zoom it. If you are traveling, then zoom it. Okay, done. Then zoom out. You have got. Then mark C dash, D dash, A dash, and B dash. Okay, and mention the angles. Okay, this finish the first problem. Then let's move to second. Again, you have to take the XY line, normal, normal XY line, and mark X and Y. Then here the question is A rectangular lamina of sides 20 mm and 30 mm rests on HP on the half of its longer edge. The lamina is tilted above the edge on which it rests till its place surface is inclined to HP at 45 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw the projection of the lamina. So here we have to make the rectangular lamina. The longer edge is resting on the HP. Okay. So we have to take a rectangle anywhere below the XY line. Take the length 30. Then from here we have to take 20. Here we got the rectangle. Then make the projections from the corners of the rectangle to the XY line. Okay. Then we have to make the markings A, B, C, D. And above the XY line also we have to make the markings, namings A dash, D dash, and same here B dash, C dash. Then we have to take a 45-degree inclination with respect to HP. So just tab, then mention 45 degree and drag it. Okay. Now we have to move the line. We have to take the visible line, then join the edge which is resting. Visible line. Now we have to move. Copy it, then move. Okay. Then we have to rotate the. Okay. Then take the projections downward. Not with the visible line. We have to take with the normal line. Take the projections. And mark the projections. From this side also. mark, name the namings A, B, C, and D respectively. Then take a 30-degree angle with respect to VP, then it goes below the XY line. So you have to take minus, then it goes below. Take anywhere on the XY line, okay. Mark the projections. First we have to move this. So dark it with a visible line. First we have to dark. Okay. Then move the respected line. Place it here. Then rotate. Okay, done. Then same. Otherwise you can move whole square at a time. Okay. Then rotate. Done. Then mark the projections towards upwards with a normal line. Trim the unwanted lines. Then join it. Join the rectangle with the visible lines. Then name it D dash above the XY line. Okay. You have to mark above the XY line D dash, A dash, B dash, and C dash. And you have to take the angles as well as this. Okay. Then project, mark the projections here also. Here we complete the planes of projections.